Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at question 784, letter case permutation. So let's just get right into the solution. The approach that we'll be taking is a backtracking solution. So let's start coding. The first thing you would want to do is initialize a list of strings that you would be returning. And then let's have a helper method that would take in the string, but you would want to convert it to char array. And the reason why we're doing that is because it's easier to manipulate the values in a char array rather than doing it in a string directly. And you need to keep a track of the current index that you're looking at, and you need to pass the result thing list. And then in the end, when all of this is done, you would just return res. So let's start working on the solution itself. You're not really returning anything. Helper, input, char array, what else? The current index, and then the list of strings. Res, cool. So the base condition would be, so if I is equal to char.length, that means we have looked at all of the characters so far. You would just add that to the resultant list. So what do res.add a new string with C in it. Right. Otherwise, what you're going to do is you're going to manipulate all of the the characters. So you'll check if the character that you're looking at right now is a letter or not. So character is letter, and that would be CFI. If it is a letter, first you need to capitalize that. CFI is equal to char character dot to uppercase and you would do this, and then you need to backtrack that. So you've changed the particular character to the uppercase, and you will backtrack it. So it would be helper CI+1 and then result, and we would do the same for the lowercase as well. So you'd convert that to lowercase. Yes, and then if the particular character that you're looking at is not a letter, you would just go to the next index. So this is it. Let's quickly run this and see if it's okay. The first test case is okay. Everything else passes as well. So let's quickly talk about the time and space complexity. The time complexity of this entire solution would be n multiplied by 2 to the power of n. That's the reason why is because every single character has a possibility of being either caps or lowercase, and you have to do that for all of the characters which are letters within the string itself. So that's the reason why that's a time complexity, and the space complexity is also the same because you're storing all of it in the result. Yeah, so let me know if there are any questions about this problem in the comments below. If there are any questions that you want me to solve or go over, also leave that in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.